Hello everybody, this is Vanessa with Clemons Crafts. I am so glad that you're here and watching my channel. This is my launch video for a collaboration that I was invited to participate in around the theme of OctHygge, which is very hard to spell. It is H-Y-G-G-E. Doesn't look like Hygge, but it is. It is a Danish word that means cozy and comfortable surroundings that invoke an inner sense of contentment or well-being. And so this is our theme for our collaboration, which is going to last a few weeks. And I have all the details right here, including the amazing DigiKits. So this is one of the DigiKits that we will be using by Karin at Creative Paper Artisan. Time to Read Mega Junk Journal Kit. And when she says mega, there's no joking. I'm about to show you. This is the other kit that we will be using from Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. Let's OctHygge. Beautiful, beautiful kits, you guys. I love these. These are the Etsy shops in which you can go and purchase these DigiKits. This one is Time to Read. This is the one that I'm going to show you first, okay? Then Stacy's Crafty Dragon Creations is her Etsy shop. All this is going to be linked in the description box below. Both kits are on sale, 30% off now through the end of October. And oh, wait till you see them. Okay, this is the first one, Time to Read. And Karin blew it out the water right here. Look at this, it's beautiful. Every single page is, as these were opening up for me to print, I mean, I was getting more and more excited because they just, I don't know. I just think it's amazing. This is one of my favorites right here. You guys know I love blue, right? Yes, of course. So that's absolutely one of my favorite pages. And I am actually flipping through this super, super fast, and I apologize for the lighting. Don't have the best lighting. I hope this comes through okay. I will try to edit it and lighten it up as much as I can. However, it is what it is. This is what I'm working with, and we're gonna make the best of it. Look how beautiful. I mean, isn't this nice? And it really does give you that feeling, for me personally, of ease and comfort. I love to read. I enjoy it at night. I lay down with my book, and it is my favorite way of falling asleep, is to read myself to sleep. Look at this. With your coffee or tea, blanket, look at those flowers. I want to pick it up and move it closer to the camera, but I have noticed that every time I do that, it makes the image darker. So I'm not gonna do that. Look at this, it's gorgeous. And I just don't know. I wish I knew how to make things like this. It's just beautiful. I love that with this kit, you could trim off right here. It's all, I mean, your signatures are right there. And honestly, when I do get ready to do my signatures, I'm probably gonna, print on the back of these so that when I fold it, I'll be able to have, but we'll see. I might just, put my own paper on the back, who knows, and maybe put some coffee dyed pages. Goodness, avocado dyed pages would look amazing with her flowers and her hair right there. Look at, you have oranges, you've got pinks, purples, you've got this beautiful sea aqua color. I love that color. Of course, but my favorite is always going to be blue. I don't know why, I just love it. Isn't that so pretty? Now, this comes with the kit. All the ephemera, fussy cut images. Look at this. These little cards, little journal cards you can make with that. You have envelopes, some little ephemera cards here, little postcard. That is so beautiful. Look at that. I love that one. Beautiful, beautiful. And she made these, and she even has print on cardstock because it's paper clip embellishments. Now, this is going to be exciting for me because I've never made one. So let's see how that turns out, right? Okay, we're going to do it. Look at that. This is just a quick flip through. I didn't even flip through every page. I told you guys it's huge. Love this, love it. Now, the other kit here is underneath. There are also going to be some freebies, and I'll get into that here in just a moment. There's going to be so much good stuff with this collaboration. This is Stacy's kit, okay? And remember, it's at Crafty Dragon Creations on Etsy, okay? And it's called the OctHygge. Look, it has writing pages. Here we are with our journal pages. Look how beautiful. I love that yellow. I know my friend Elizabeth is a big fan of yellow as well. There's your sweater, cozy sweaters. Doesn't this make you just, makes you so warm and fuzzy. I love it. I love it. I love the big clocks too, those old clocks. And again, some of these pages are sticking together because I'm picking them up rather fast. And look at this. It's huge. When they say mega kit, look, the fairies. They are not joking. I love this image as well. It reminds me a little bit of jelly printing. This is one of my favorite pages. I love this page. I love everything about it. The shading, everything. I like this, how it has the book pages in the back. Again, comes with embellishments, tags, fussy cuts. Look at that little fox. He's so cute. Look, we have little clips. We have everything. Everything you need is in these kits. I love this. That is going to be fun because who would think? I love it. There's some words here. I love this. Look at the borders here. And envelopes. More tags. Some pockets. I love this one. I mean, I know I keep saying I love all of it. I love all of it. And then it has pages just like Karen's little prints here. I'm sorry, my arm is in the way of the light, but I'm just so excited about it. Okay, so those are our quick flip throughs of the kits that we are going to be using while we create our collaboration. Okay, so they're going to be coordinating freebies available in these 5 groups. This is going to be in our description box below. You join all 5 groups, receive weekly freebies. How easy is that? You just join a group, hang out, see what everybody's making, and get some freebies. That will coordinate with these kits. So as we create our project, it's just more. In addition to those kits, more free stuff. It's amazing. We're gonna have so much ephemera. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is sort of our schedule for the collaboration here. Week 1, you will be able to, by tuning into our channels, which are also linked below, journal cover, signatures. Another week, we're going to do embellishments. And then that last week, binding and completing the journal. And you can snag freebies, win prizes, and help our small channels grow because this is collaboration. I believe that Karin has the largest amount of subscribers of any of us, and she and Stacy put all this together to help us smaller channels out, which really shows her heart. I mean, really a genuine person to be able to do this for us. And, you know, she didn't have to do that. She gifted us the kits, and it means a lot. It means a lot. Very, very nice for her to be able to do that. And then this right here is our lineup. This will sort of show you who will be putting out a video and when. And so, and again, you know, we'll be able to have this available in our description, sort of keep you up to date with, you know, October 1st is going to be Stacy and Karin. The 2nd will be Anna and Val. The 3rd will be Samantha and Lisa. And then the 4th will be Sannie and me, see? And then every week, how it stays across the board, see? So you could say, okay, the thing is you want to subscribe to these channels and be able to watch all of our different interpretations of the journal cover, all of our interpretations of our signatures. I guarantee you every single one of us is going to be different, especially me, with this being the 2nd journal I've ever made. You just don't know what it's going to look like. Okay, So there will be, oh, I'm so sorry. Look, I left out some pages. Oh yeah, I wanted to show, this one is one of my favorite pages from Stacy's kit. Okay, so maybe I left that out on purpose. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. How to participate. Okay, in the drawings, because we're going to have finished journals, free DigiKits, surprise racks at the end when we do drawings. Now, how do you qualify for the drawings? This way, the end. Just kidding. Okay, so what you would do is you would subscribe to our channels, again, linked below in the description, like our videos. Each video that I make, each video that Sam makes, each video Lisa makes, we're going to ask a question relating to Hygge, and you will provide an answer. For example, we may ask, what flavor gives you a sense of Hygge? For me, it's hazelnut. I love hazelnut, in my coffee. I love it. And so we may ask a simple question like that in our video. And to qualify, you would just comment under the video your answer. And if you would like to have an extra point in the drawings, then as you create along with us, you would be able to add this hashtag, post it to these two groups, Crafty Dragon Creations and or Creative Paper Artisan, by the end of October. So very easy to get double entry just by hashtag your process, which you're going to be showing your groups anyway. So why not? Also wanted to point out, I love the way she did this schedule, because here at the bottom it says you, the viewer. You're going to be able to see what we do, and then she gives you some time here to be able to make your own before we move on to the next part of the journal. And I don't know about you, but I really have a hard time finding time to create. They're running the shop, working, taking care of my daughter and the dogs. And so this, I said yes, because I wanted to challenge myself to be able to take time to create that sense of Hygge. And for me, creating, reading, I love fabric, lace, candles, the whole thing. It's just very important for our well-being to take time for ourselves. And so I wanted to jump in on this and be a part of it. And so this is my launch video. So I am finished with all the descriptions. I'm going to take a break now. And when I come back, I will be showing you how I make my cover.